I'm Ricky the Bean Crusher Evans, and I'm here to take the title. So lace up your aprons. You're in the danger zone now. You can smell what I'm cooking. It's the chili that ruins reputations, ends careers, and takes names. Ow. And as for my competition, Jeffrey, word on the street is your chili tastes like warmed up ketchup. And by the way, we live in Indiana. Noodles do go in chili. And bless Austin's heart, he's bringing that dollar store chili to a pay-per-view level competition. And Jess, your chili's so weak it wouldn't win a pity vote at the family reunion.
Ricky, what are you going to do if you win?
If I win, I'm going to Disney World. But first, I want to tell you about our open house this weekend. It's this Saturday from 9 to 5. We will be having a chili cook-off. Come vote for the Bean Crusher. Everybody knows his is the best. But while we're in here, I'm going to go ahead and show you this 2025 Puma 337BH. So, of course, we'll start over here at the entry. So as you come in, you got your double bunk room in the back. This is very unique. So you can send the kids to their own room. I mean, you got a top bunk and a bottom bunk, lots of storage. And then as you turn around, check out this pantry. You can never have too much storage, right? Now, as you walk on in, you do have your floor registers ducted. So your furnace is ducted through the inside. You're at a 15,000 BTU furnace. You do have the ceiling air conditioner that is vented throughout the unit. It is prepped for a second AC also. Of course, you notice the fireplace. Great to take the chill off on those cool nights. TV mount. On this side, you do have your sofa. That thing also lets down into a bed. So it's just a jackknife sofa. You got 2 more sleepers there. And then your dinette. You got your booth dinette that lays down into a bed. It's going to sleep 2 more. So this is a total of a 6 sleeper. Of course, you notice the appliances. 3-burner stovetop. Got a nice size oven. Of course, refrigerator, freezer. This thing's pretty cool. You can open it from both directions. Lots of nice counter space. Of course, your deep sink. We'll step on in. This one does have the mid bath also. So you will notice, I always think that it gives the bathroom a lot more roominess. Nice medicine cabinet with some actual storage. You do have a little storage underneath. Of course, you notice the bench in the shower with the full shower surround. And then on up into the nose is your master bedroom. You do have queen size bed, nice size nightstands on both sides, so plenty of room for alarm clocks, phones, CPAPs, all that good stuff. And then you've got your wardrobe storage on both sides. So that's the inside in a nutshell. Let's head out. Okay, so now we're on the outside. We're going to start in the rear here. So you will notice you got your full-size spare on the bumper. Of course, you got ladder access. It is fully walkable roof, fully walkable slides. So those are a couple great options for maintenance. Of course, you've got your little storage compartment there, just some extra space. You can never have too much. If you notice too, you do have electric stabilizer jacks. So you've got your buttons here. You're going to have one on each corner for the electric stabilizers. You've got almost full length power awning with LED light strip, which is nice to, just give you a little light at night, a little night light. Does have the outdoor kitchen, so you have the griddle combo along with the mini fridge. Quick connect right underneath there. Place to mount a TV if you'd like. Of course, you got your marine grade outdoor speakers. This one does have the on-demand hot water heater, so that's a great option instead of having to run out of hot water while you're on a tank. This is the entry into the bedroom, of course. We was at the rear entry, and that goes into the living area. Nice size pass-through storage. You can kind of see all the way across there again. And then up here on the nose, you do have your electric tongue jack along with 2 30-pound propane tanks. This thing's going to come filled. It's going to have the battery on it ready to pull down the road as soon as you guys stop out and take a look. So once again, I'm Ricky Evans. Come out. I'll show you this camper, but more importantly, vote for the Bone Crusher. Bean Crusher!